I'm Chris Gray, and this is the HVAC Minute. President Trump has temporarily lowered certain tariff rates to relieve ongoing difficulties caused by tariffs on steel and aluminum. On June 1st, the president signed a proclamation that adjusted Section 232 tariffs. Among those adjustments was lowering the rate for derivative products used in HVAC systems and components, predominantly in residential applications, from 25% to 15%. According to the proclamation, the modification accounts for recent circumstances affecting the relevant industries and services that use these products. Hardy said that the adjustment will allow consumers to retain nearly $2.3 billion by avoiding future price increases resulting from the initial tariff increase. The adjustment comes as contractors continue to face rising costs. Data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics Producer Price Index shows input prices rose more during the first 4 months of 2026 than over the prior 3 years, due in part to rising oil prices and tariffs. For more information, please visit www.achrnews.com.